sir. My name is Ronnie. Welcome to 5-Star Hotel. Do you have any reservation, sir?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Can I have the identification card, sir?
Okay. You.
Upon checking your book a deluxe room staying for 2 days and 3 nights, it is already paid using credit card. Here's your valid ID and your key card. Your room number is 305, located at 3rd floor. This is Margie, your personal butler, and she will assist you to your room.
Hi, sir. I'm Margie, your personal butler. Can I have your key card, sir?
Okay, you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, your room number is room number 305, located at the Okay, sir. Let me assist you.
Okay.
This way, sir. Okay, by the way, sir, let me introduce to you our club facilities. We have breakfast here at the restaurant, open from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. And also we have a swimming pool located at the 2nd floor. And also we have a business center and cafe located at the lobby area. And also, sir, we have a spa and fitness center located at the 5th floor. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Come in. Now we're here, sir, your room. But first, sir, let me check your room. Room check. Room check. Room check. Room check. Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you can insert your key card here to activate your room electricity. Have a seat, sir. Sir, do you want me to put your luggage in the luggage rack?
Oh, yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you want me to unpack your clothes, sir?
Yes.
Want to fold your clothes or hang your clothes?
Fold.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm done unpacking your clothes. By the way, sir, let me introduce our room amenities. Sir, this is a remote control for the AC. You can adjust the temperature if you want, sir. And also, we have a remote control for television, for the television channel, sir. And also, sir, we have a king-size bed, sir. And also, sir, we have a mini bar here. We have a complimentary water and some other items. If you consume it, they will add it to your bill, sir. And lastly, sir, this is your bathroom. We have shower room, toilet, and also for the water tap, this is the red button for the hot water, blue button for the cold water. And also, sir, we have toiletries and bath towels. And we also have complimentary coffee and tea, sir. By the way, sir, here's your telephone. If you need any assistance, you press 0 for housekeeping department. Press 1 if you call me directly. Again, sir, I'm Margie, your personal butler. Is there anything else you need, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Margie, your personal butler. Let me remind you that your checking out time is 12 noon and it's already 11 a.m. Do you need any help for your packing up your clothes?
Oh, okay, please.
Okay, sir. I'll be there in a while. Thank you, sir. Housekeeping. 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 Hi, sir. Good morning. I'm Margie, personal butler. I'm here to help you to pack up your luggage. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'm done packing up your clothes. Ready for checkout now, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Let me assist you to the front desk.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ronnie. Are you here for checkout, sir?
Oh, yes.
Can I have your key card, sir?
Here's my key card.
Thank you. Your balance is 1,000 pesos. Would you like to pay cash or quick credit?
Credit.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Here's your receipt. Thank you for coming. Come back again.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. Do you want me to put your luggage in your car?
Okay, yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, I already put your luggage in your car. Again, I'm Margie, your personal doctor. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. Here's your tip.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you.